Welcome back to the Seasonal Tokens YouTube channel. Today, we'll be looking into how we can use Metamask to buy and trade tokens using their new Smart Transactions feature. Let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to want to make sure we're logged into our Metamask account, which I am in this case. And then we want to add the 4 different tokens to our account. The easiest way to do this is to head to seasonaltokens.org, scroll down to add the tokens to Metamask, and then simply go across from left to right, adding the tokens. That was spring, summer, autumn, and lastly winter. Simply press add to Metamask and then confirm in the wallet there. Once that's done, you can see that all 4 have been added to the account. This will make things significantly easier when it comes to buying and trading these tokens. Now, we're going to want to begin trading on Metamask. The reason we want to use Metamask rather than alternatives like Uniswap is that Metamask now has smart transactions. Smart transactions minimize transaction costs, reduce transaction failures, eliminate stuck transactions, and they also prevent front running. So simply want to press swap here, and now we're able to trade our ETH for a token. In this case, I'm going to trade 0.04 Ethereum for Spring tokens. Press continue, and now check the advanced options. 2% slippage is perfectly fine, but make sure your smart transactions is on. Review the swap. As you can see, I've been quoted 0.04 Ethereum for 5,320 Spring tokens. A max fee of $5.30 in transactional costs, which I'm happy with. So I'll press swap and allow that to prepare. Now, it's always important that you leave Ethereum in your wallet to pay for different transactional costs. For example, buying back into Ethereum now or trading my Spring tokens for different tokens will incur another gas fee cost. If I do not have Ethereum in my wallet, I cannot make that trade. So it's always best to leave up to about $10 to $20 of Ethereum in your wallet at all times, if you tend to make small trades here and there. Having said that, gas fees are currently around about $2 to $5 per transaction, as we've just seen, but at busy days, it can shoot up to $20 or $30, in which case, you can simply wait for it to get cheaper. Now, as we can see, our swap is complete. Close that down, and we can see our Ethereum has dropped, but our Spring tokens has increased to what I've purchased. Now, I'm going to trade my Spring tokens for Summer tokens. Following the same process, we'll press Spring, press Swap, and then input Summer. I'd like to trade 2,000 Spring tokens. Continue. Ensure our advanced options is correct again. Review the swap, and now we'll see that 2,000 Spring tokens actually gets us 2,824 Summer tokens. Make sure you're happy with the gas cost. Seasonal tokens allows you to trade tokens amongst themselves at different times within their cycles. So as you can see, my Spring tokens are actually worth more Summer tokens. So I'm now going to make a net profit in tokens by trading my Spring for Summer. Following this tutorial, you should now know how to use Metamask to buy tokens and how to trade tokens for more tokens as the prices oscillate around one another. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more future Seasonal Tokens content.